Hi, Dr. Ricky, and I'm demonstrating pure, clear muscle testing as originally taught by Kendall and Kindle. Hold right here. This is the pectoralis clavicular muscle. This is the pectoralis sternal muscle. And that's related to the stomach and liver. This is the deltoid muscle. Resist. And push down toward the floor. This is the supraspinatus. That was the deltoid. This is the teres minor. Push out toward me. Straighten your arm. Twist it in this way and hold. This is the latissimus dorsi muscle. This is the anterior deltoid. Resist. This is the supraspinatus. Good. And then push that way with your hand. And I'm going to pull this way and block the scapula. Nice and solid. Any of those muscles that are weak, it indicates that there's a possibility that the nerve supply to the muscle isn't functioning. And if the nerve to that muscle isn't functioning, chances are that the part of the nerve that splits off and goes to an organ or a gland is also compromised. Every nerve that exits the spinal column splits into two parts. One goes to a muscle, one goes to an organ or a gland. And what we want to do is, you can see on this model that the nerve splits into two parts. One goes to an organ, one goes to a gland. I'm sorry, one goes to a muscle, one goes to an organ or a gland. So what we want to do is make sure that all the nerves are open and functioning, and we can see that by the actual pure muscle test. Put your hand down here and resist. This is the quadriceps muscle, the strongest muscle in the human body, and we can test it, different aspects of it. This is for the medial portion. Resist. And good. We need to stabilize that, because with strength it would rock her off of balance. So we stabilize it and pull, and it's nice and solid. Then we have the popliteus muscle under here in the knee. Keep your leg bent. I'm going to try to straighten it. Resist. Good. Straighten your leg. Twist it out this way. This is the iliopsoas muscle. Resist. This is related to the kidneys. And then this is the gluteus, and then this is the gluteus medius. Here. Resist. Good. And this is the fascia lata muscle. Resist. This muscle is actually right here, and it has a sheath that comes down below the knee, like a sheet, and attaches. So this is a very important muscle. Resist. That is related to the ileocecal valve. So in her case, they're functioning fine. Anytime we have a weakness in any of these muscles on either side of the body, we can usually track it down to an interference with the nerve supply. And when we correct that, then the function is restored to normal. Thank you.